Hello, beautiful family. Hope you're doing well. Yes, today we have this remote job, work from anywhere. So we have data entry, we have any other job with no experience. Okay, so now let's start exploring the job they have. Today we are visiting Simply Hired and we work remotely as always, guys. We're gonna see today's job. So if you go to Simply Hired and write remote, you click here remote and then you filter, you make sure you filter, okay, and then what you're gonna do is to click here that entry check. You can see it was posted today. Yes, you have to read all the information, let's say job description. As you can see, it's very simple. The requirement is not much. As you can see, it's typing skills, excellent knowledge, knowledge, office equipment and computer, basic understanding of database, great attention to details, and as you can see, this is the company. The company name is TIAA is looking for data check. This is a full-time temporary position Monday through Friday. It can become permanent depending on the work load. Yes. So go quick and learn and apply. As you can see, it was posted today. Okay. So the next job that was posted today is Legal and Compliance Administrator. This is another remote job. They pay high, okay? And it was posted 1 hour ago. So again, the website is Simply Hired. You have to go to visit this website always and see if they have job position that match with your CV. So what we have to offer, those are the things they have to offer. And here you can read through. So I believe this data entry was worldwide. You can apply, but if there is a job which pay this higher, you can try to see if it's worldwide, guys, but they didn't mention if it's on specific locations. So we are currently seeking local and compliance administration. This is a full-time remote work from home position, but they didn't specify if it's gonna be from anywhere or for the United States only. Okay, so yes, moving on another job they have posted today is a market event specialist. You can see this one. Yes, let's gonna see. This is what they pay, $15 per hour. Okay, let's see the specification, the description. We are social and fast-paced, fun, and our goal is to create community of like-minded individuals passionate for sport and culture. This is, you can see, the work from home, flexible working hours, and so many more. Yes, the requirements, you must have like this SOS mobile device, excellent communication, passion for sport, culture, and so many more. Yes, you can see the location is remote. Again, if the job you see it's not specified if it's gonna be in the United States only, you're gonna go ahead and apply. You never know if they can select you. Okay, so let's see another job they have. They have posted today so many jobs. This one is customer support representative. If you click here, it was posted 1 hour ago, and this is their pay. As you can see, this is very minimum payment according to United States rates. So their location is in Ohio, alright? Yes, go ahead and explore these jobs, guys. The position, we are looking for full-time customer support representative for our janitor manager product. So this role would be responsible for working with a new and existing customer. Okay, so why should you apply? They give you reason that you want to apply here. Work from a company where you are more than just a member. So you can work from anywhere. So ability to work remotely from home, as you can see. So if you're interested, if you have experience in the call center and want to be a part of a company with a great work culture that value you as an employee, contact us today. As you can see, if there is something like call center, it means this job is not worldwide because they're gonna ask you to be on the phone. Yes, this one is on the phone, but this one, guys, on data entry, this is the job that you can work from anywhere. This is the job that you can quick and apply to this position. Data entry check remote. All right, so yeah, so let's go on this desk. This is receptionist, it's remote as well. I think it's global. Yeah, full-time receptionist, this one was posted today as well. Customer service, work from home call center was posted today as well. Yes, let's see this one. Writer for Minna Talking. Yes, this is in Virginia. Let's see. If you see a job related to writer, a job related to data entry, you have to know that that job might be worldwide opportunity. Yes. Okay. Let's find if there is somewhere they say, okay, they work like to work 100% remotely, which is really, really good. Yeah, this is their payment. They will train you. Payment is paid. Also, they're gonna pay you $42 for meeting lasting under 2 hours. It means they can pay you like $21 per hour because you're gonna take notes to all that meeting. Yes. The application will be contacted after completion of the challenge, even if unsuccessfully. This is really good because they're gonna email you to tell you to let you know that you haven't selected. So I'm encouraging you to go ahead and apply. You can see they say our minute taker are also be offered in full-time or part-time. So it means you can work to this company even if you have another job. Okay, so yeah, I believe this is a good position. Another one is customer support representative, was posted today as well. Customer service data entry remote. This is really good, and what you're gonna do is to apply. You never know if this job is full-time remote. Yes, it might be. They might want work from anywhere as long as it matches with your CV. This kind of job of data entry, American doesn't like to take that because it has very low rate payment. So it gives like other countries, African, Indians, you know, Asians to take all these positions. Yes. Okay, they have this front desk receptionist as well. Yeah, they have so many jobs, guys. Remote account manager. They have full-time position. Yeah, so guys, I hope you can see they have so many jobs today was posted, and yeah, please go ahead and apply. This one is freelancer social media manager, which is really cool, and pretty much this job might fit you as an international worker. It will be 5 hours per week, which is really cool. It means it's just freelancer, so you can work as this as part-time. All right, so again, the job position that you can type is freelancer social media manager. All right, and it is from this company at your service staffing. This is a staffing company. All right, so bachelor degree is preferred, but it is not a must. It means that if you get $30 per hour and you work 5 hours a week, you can see you can get some money to pay your bill. Yeah, they have like full-time remote, as you can see. So let's visit We Work Remotely and see the job they have. Alright, so I believe you can see this is a #1 YouTube channel which will share with you where they get source where they get all those jobs. Okay, so you have to subscribe so that we keep encouraging each other to apply to all these positions. They have this one, e-commerce UX editor. This one is full-time anywhere in the world. Yes, you can see they have posted only 40 applicants were applied. So I believe you can go ahead and apply as well. In 40 people, you can be selected. So go ahead and quickly apply. Are you a good on analyzing UX website using this one? Do you discuss the smallest of UX details? So this is a full-time remote. And you can work anywhere in the world at working as e-commerce UX editor. Okay, so qualification, you can pass through all these qualification. The reason why I don't want to pass through is because of time, and I'm not sure if this is the job you are looking for. So what I just do is to give you presentation on the available jobs that were posted today, so that you don't miss any job that they have posted today. Okay, so the deadline to apply is July 24th. So this is going to be the end of the application. Again, you can work with this company from anywhere. So let's go back to see other jobs they have. They have this one, personal assistant for US only. Yes, for us, we are more interested in working from anywhere in the world. They have contact researcher. This is a full-time job as well on WeWorkRemotely.com. You're gonna click here and see they have 500 applicants. So you can see that another job where they have like 40 applicants only, it's pretty much preferred compared to this one. 500 applicants were applied. Yes, but still new, guys. It just posted on 26th of June. All right, work from anywhere, and they don't have like much qualification. You can pass through it. So they have all of this. You're gonna like the company. So let me stop by here, guys. Go and explore again to all these jobs that were posted today. I prefer to just filter the job which were posted today, so that you keep applying to all these new jobs. I know how hard it is to apply to the jobs, so guys, take courage and never get discouraged to apply to the job. Alright, I hope to see you soon. I wish you all the best in your application. Remember to share my YouTube channel. As you can see, I do share even all secrets and details which will help you to get the job. So I hope to see you soon. Have a great time. Bye bye.